Hi, I'm Lena, and together with my colleague Nick, we're going to show you how to make a traditional Greek coffee. You're going to need a coffee pot, we call it briki in Greek, a set of a Greek coffee cup, white sugar, and of course, Greek coffee. Many of you might haven't seen this, but don't worry, you can use your electrical appliance in your home kitchen. So, we want to thank you one more time for being part of our virtual summit. Let's move on with the preparation. It's going to take 3 to 4 minutes and lots of love. For your Greek coffee, you're going to need medium heat. First, we pour the water into the briki. One dose equals 1 cup. We put sugar into the briki. If you want, you can drink it without sugar. Then you add the coffee. 1 teaspoon should be fine. And then you just put it on the fire. Serve it from the top to create this foam that we call kaimaki. Your coffee is ready to be served, but it's something that it's missing. So, you serve it with cold water and traditional lukumaki. Enjoy!